lunchtime is going on. Some are talking about politics, sports, their bosses, or just discussing about their ambition. Back in 1976, in a similar canteen of Delhi Cloth and General Mills, one day 8 engineers from company's calculator division also started talking about their dreams, about their future, that one day they will leave their job and start their own company and make microcomputers. But unlike others, the 8 of them took action. They left their secured jobs and ventured into the risky world of business. To gather funds, they first began selling teledigital calculators and then in the same year formed Hindustan Computers Limited (HCL). But it was difficult to get the approvals and funds, so they all approached the UP government. Impressed by the vision of these young entrepreneurs, the UP government supported HCL. 2 years later, HCL developed India's first microcomputer, HCL-8C, which was 3 years before IBM's first PC. HCL soon started growing in India, but the founders dreamt of taking their company international. A year later, HCL ventured outside India by setting a small office in Singapore. Now, decades later, HCL has grown into a multi-billion-dollar company operating in over 45 countries with around 150,000 employees. One of HCL's key founder is Shiv Nadar. He was born in a small village in Tamil Nadu, studied in this town higher secondary school, the same school where the renowned mathematician Ramanujan also studied. Other than being the founding member of HCL, Shiv Nadar also was the biggest investor and founding chairman of the popular NIIT. The multinational IT training company spread in over 30 countries. Now, 44 years after starting HCL, according to latest Forbes figure, Shiv Nadar has become the second richest person in India. He is now richer than the Hindujas, Lakshmi Mittal and the media mogul Rupert Murdoch. So, without any further delay, let's get on the plane and travel across the world to witness HCL's massive business empire. We will start our journey in the Americas and reach Canada. We are right now in the coastal province of New Brunswick. Here, HCL has recently started a global IT delivery center. Moreover, in Canada, HCL Technologies also operates 7 more delivery centers that serve major Canadian railway and airline companies. Moving to the US, we will reach the Emerald City, Seattle. Here, HCL operates an Internet of Things Innovation Center along with over 20 delivery centers across the United States. Overall in US, HCL employs around 17,000 people, which is much more than how many people Microsoft and Procter & Gamble combined employ in India. Moreover, in US, HCL has worked on major projects for Ford Motors, Reader's Digest, Xerox, and has also worked on modernizing unemployment insurance services in multiple US states. In the US, HCL also owns a life sciences services company, a digital experience company, an aerospace solutions company, a hybrid data management company, and also one of the leading Microsoft business applications consulting company, Power Objects. Furthermore, in the region, HCL operates in Mexico, Brazil, and also in the scenic Guatemala. Now from Guatemala, let's move to Africa and reach the vibrant South Africa. Here, HCL has been operating since past 11 years and has worked on key IT projects for De Beers and also South Africa's second largest supermarket chain, Pick n Pay. Now from South Africa, let's move to Europe and reach the picturesque Spain. We are right now in the beautiful port city of Alicante, the starting point of the world's longest professional sporting event, Volvo Ocean Race. The IT service provider for this 8-month-long event has been HCL. From Spain, let's cruise towards the United Kingdom. Here, HCL owns a data automation company, a cloud solutions company, a multi-million-dollar consultancy company, an insurance BPO, and also has delivery centers in around 10 locations across the UK. Now, we will reach Old Trafford, the home of one of the world's biggest football club, Manchester United. HCL is Manchester United's digital partner. The official app and website of Manchester United has been jointly developed by HCL. Overall in Europe, HCL operates in over 20 countries with over 12,000 employees, over 75 delivery centers, and has worked on major projects for Volvo Cars, Norway's largest financial services institution, DNB, and the Swiss pharmaceutical giant Novartis. Moreover, in Europe, HCL owns the German IT and engineering service provider HND International. Now, after traveling in Europe, let's take a long flight all the way to Australia. Here in Australia, HCL operates in 8 locations, while in nearby New Zealand, we will find HCL delivery centers in 3 locations. Speaking about New Zealand, HCL has also recently won a major deal to modernize technology infrastructure of New Zealand's multinational dairy company, Fonterra. Now, getting back to Australia, let's take a walk on the bustling streets of Melbourne. We will now reach the Melbourne Cricket Ground, Australia's largest stadium and home of Cricket Australia. Talking about cricket, do you know who is Cricket Australia's official digital technology partner? You are right, it's HCL. Now from Melbourne, let's move towards Asia and reach the Lion City, Singapore. We are outside one of Asia's leading stock exchange, Singapore Exchange. The IT solutions and management of this busy stock exchange is done by HCL, while in rest of Asia Pacific region, we will find HCL located in Japan, China, Philippines, Malaysia, Indonesia, and even Hong Kong, where HCL has worked on IT application project for Hong Kong's largest airline. In the rest of Asia, we will find HCL in Sri Lanka, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Qatar, Turkey, and UAE. In UAE, the company has undertaken IT projects for various government departments, a major theme park, and airline. Now, finally, after our world tour, it's time to reach India. Here, HCL development centers are located in 15 cities across India, which includes this massive 50-acre campus in Noida, which can accommodate nearly 25,000 people. Here in India, HCL also owns a healthcare company, a distribution and services company, HCL Infosystem, and has recently acquired a semiconductor design services firm and a Mumbai-based engineering services company. Moreover, in India, HCL manages IT infrastructure for one of the biggest stock exchange, ATMs, multiple government organizations, and also oil and gas companies, while the company also regularly organizes cybersecurity hackathons. HCL has not only created a mammoth business empire but has also been involved in multiple social projects that includes development work in 170 Gram Panchayats, supporting multiple NGOs through HCL grant, operating multiple educational institutions, and has also established museums of art. Furthermore, Shiv Nadar, who is currently the chairman of HCL, has committed more than $1 billion to philanthropy, and in 2019 alone, he has donated over $100 million. Looking at this inspiring journey, which started with few colleagues dreaming about their future, HCL has certainly come a long way to be now present all over the world. In the end, all I can say, this is HCL's massive business empire.